Hey there! You don't need followers, you don't need a huge email list, and you definitely don't need to go viral. Today, I'll show you how to start selling digital products, even if you're starting from scratch. This is beginner-friendly, low-risk, and can make real money. Let's dive in. First, pick a product you can create once and sell forever. Here are 5 easy digital products to start with. Ebooks, printables like planners or budget trackers, Canva templates, Notion dashboards, digital courses or guides. Use free tools like Canva, Notion, or Google Docs to build them. Don't overthink it. Focus on solving a small problem for someone. Example, a meal prep tracker for busy professionals. Simple and effective. Now here's the trick. You don't need a following, you just need the right platform. Post your digital product on Etsy, huge marketplace, tons of organic traffic. Gumroad, simple to use and built for creators. Payhip, great for selling ebooks and templates. Make your product searchable. Use keywords in your title and description. Example, instead of budget tracker, use printable monthly budget tracker for beginners. This way, buyers find you, not the other way around. Want to move faster? Let AI help. Use ChatGPT to write your product descriptions. Use Canva's AI tools to design printables fast. And if you're stuck on ideas, ask AI, give me 10 digital product ideas for teachers, students, or fitness coaches. You'll be surprised what comes up. Once your product is live, here's how to boost sales. Create one short Pinterest pin or TikTok video showing how it works. List it in a relevant Facebook group or Reddit forum. Offer a small freebie in exchange for an email. And upsell the full product. You're building traffic with content, not followers. That's the game. Selling digital products is one of the easiest ways to start making passive income in 2025. No followers, no problem. Start small, test what works, and scale up. Smash that like button if this helped you. And subscribe for more no-fluff ways to earn online every week.